In a small village, there lived a boy named Ramanna. Everyone called him lazy, worthless, good for nothing. His parents said, "You must study and achieve something in life, but you waste your days wandering with friends." Ramanna, however, spent his time idling and playing with his companions. One day, a terrible flood struck the village. While everyone ran for safety, Ramanna saw an elderly man struggling and rescued him. The old man was a retired teacher. Seeing Ramanna's courage and kindness, he was astonished. These words changed Ramanna's heart. He began working hard and started teaching the village children, one by one, the letters and knowledge they needed. Slowly, the villagers noticed Ramanna's efforts and began to respect him. Years passed. Many of his students achieved jobs and success. One day, they returned and built a school for Ramanna, honoring his guidance. Ramanna's eyes filled with tears. Once, everyone thought I was worthless. But today, because of me, an entire village shines. This story teaches us there is no person truly worthless. When guided on the right path, anyone can become a hero.